Hey guys, what's up? It's MLCuber here, and today I'm gonna be teaching you guys the beginner's method of the 4x4. So the first step you have to do is the white cross. So you basically have to pair one of these edges like this. For example, like that. You have to do it like that, and these have to be correct, not incorrect like this. So that's your goal, and we'll see. So the first thing you have to do is find one of these edges and put it on the face. Then you put it in the correct place, and just do the same for the rest. That, put it there, and so there, you've got your cross. Now, we have to do the face, like, it's like this, like one face, which is correct like this. Correct, like you see the sides, not incorrect like this. So now these are cases where you actually have to have algorithms. So if you have this case where you have your corner on your white tile on the corner, you have to put it to where it belongs, where it's supposed to belong, and do this. And that inserts it there. And if you have this case, you have it here, you can here do this. Or this. They're both the same, it doesn't really matter. And now, so if you have it like this, where it's on the top, face is on the top, you do this. And you remember this case and do that. Insert it. So now you have to do a middle layer, which is like this. I'm just gonna, and then so here I've got the middle layer, and this is your goal. Now, if so if you have this case where your edge is right here and it's supposed to go in here, no worries. Just put it here and do this. That puts up the pair like that. And then you can insert it in. Now if you have I'm just gonna do the case until I find the other one, which is this. This case where it's on here, this side instead of this side, which is like that, it's on this side. You just do the altered way and put it there, and do this. Cube rotate and insert it the altered way. And if you have it in the incorrect way for no reason, you just do one of those algorithms I taught you earlier about, like that, and you can either do this or you can do this. Doesn't matter, but if you get it stuck, and you can finish the rest. Now, the next case is this is you have to get the top. So it's like the yellow cross like this. So if you have the case, if you start from here, you normally do this, but that's the advanced. This is the beginners. So if you have it like this, where there's only a tiny dot in the middle, no worries, just do this. And you have this case, you can just put it up and line up like this, and do it again. And you can keep it there, and do it again. Now, now the goal is to get the top layer completely. So it's like that at the top. Oh, and I've got a zipper. So if you have a case like this, no worries, you can just put it at the front and do this. And a double flick and back down. And then you have this case, and if you have this case, you can just put it the headlights there and do this again. And then if you have this case, you do that, and it's like that. Now if you have it like this, no worries. You can put the headlights in front like it's the alter way of these two there, which I showed you earlier, and you can do it again. And if you have this case where the headlights are opposite way, you can just do it here, double flick, and do it. And I remember so if you have it like this, where you have two headlights here, put the headlights here and do this, and do it again. And that's all. So your goal is to have the edges completed just like this. I had an edges skip. So the way it's complete the edges like this and leave these incorrect. Even if they are correct, then your cube is solved. So if your goal is to get this, like all of them correct, not like this, where they are incorrect. So if you have this case, wait. Okay, if you have this case at first, where none of you see no matching pairs like this, like there's only one matching pair, which is like that, then no worries. You can you can do an apron, and it's like this. So you put, it doesn't matter where you put one of these, you can put these anywhere, and you flip on the top face, which is a yellow face, and you can do this. And at the bottom, you do a 2, and a bottom 2 again, and finish it off. And you've got one paired edge. Put the paired edge anywhere, as long as it's here. As long as you flip the face over and it's here. Doesn't really matter. I'll go here and do it again. The algorithm I show you again. And there, your edges are solved. So your goal is to get all of these. Your corners are solved. I made corners the entire time, not edges. So this is the edges case. We have to solve the rest of the cube by this. So So if you have a case where it's like this, you can do a U-perm and it goes like this. Like if you have the headlights here, I mean if you have like if this has to go here, then like that, then do this. And if you have a case like this where this needs to go here, then you do the opposite. I mean, like you do the altered way. And if you have a case like this, which is called a Z-perm, I'll teach you those in 4 glass layer. I'll make one of those videos. Most people in the advanced method do this. But you can just do a U-perm by putting this case here. You can do any one you want. And then flip it over. And you can do your U-perm. And if you have this case, which is called an H-perm, most people in the advanced method would do this. But I'll teach you that again in the 4 class layer video when I make one of those. So, if you have this case where these two need to switch, just do one of your U-perms again. And you can do your U-perm. And it's solved. Congratulations if your cube looks like this. Just comment. Just like, subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye.